Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Your top one famous locomotive engineer with BNSF 8399. And today we're doing something cooler. Today we're doing a tutorial on a Dodge Charger Pursuit. My favorite type of dream car. So like in this case we're going to build my unit in my dream mansion. So what you're going to need is black wool, stone button, lever, skeleton skull, dark oak fence gate, polished black stone slab, black concrete, polished black stone block, polished black stone stairs. In this case I'm going to make my car purple. So like you can do it in white, you can do it in any color. In this case I'm doing purple concrete. I'm going to get purple stairs and purple slab. Because like I'm just comparing after I do my unit, like I'm gonna modify this one behind so I can put like the light bar on top. Because honestly, in this case I'm not gonna add a light bar to my unit. So let's get started. Honestly, we don't forget about the license plate in the back. So let's go inside my mansion, my coolest mansion. So like let's build it like right here, like where my entrance to my mansion is. So take black wool for the wheels. Add 3 blocks long of purple I'm adding 3 blocks long. I'm adding a 3x3 of purple concrete, and add the back wheels. Add stone button on the side of the wheels. Take a skeleton skull for your mirrors. Add them right here. Add a upside down stair in the front and a right side up stair in the back. Let's never forget the license plate in the back. It's gonna keep it blank. Add dark oak fence gate. Have this one opened, and then the rest all closed. Because this is gonna be my Centena push bar right here. Because like maybe after this tutorial, I'll show you something. I'll show you one real quick. Like add polished blackstone slab for your headlights. I'm gonna add a T-shape of purple slab. Add black concrete as your windshield. Polished blackstone for your side windows. Black concrete right here. Add polished blackstone stair here, and I'm adding purple stairs surrounding that stair. And honestly, don't forget a red nether brick slab. Add these right here for the tail lights, and don't forget your polished blackstone slab, like that. And let's fill in the roof with slabs. And that's how I made my Dodge Charger Pursuit, my favorite type of police car. And let's go ahead and modify the one that's how I made my unit. So for the car behind, so like daylight detector and redstone comparator, add 3 of these right here. Have the middle blue Don't mind the comparators on. And that's how you modify this with no light bar, with this having a light bar. And by the way, I added the mirrors. Thanks to my world editing skills, my license plate is still there. The license plate is still there, including the mirrors. Alright, that's pretty much it on how to build a Dodge Charger Pursuit for like your state trooper to like patrol the highways and the interstates. So, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications, please. And I'll see you in the next one. BNSF 8399 out.